Hello everybody, my name is Skylar and I'm with the North Basin SWAT team. Today I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Translator. It's a very useful app for those who have students who do not speak English very well or have trouble understanding English as well. As you can see, I have Translator pulled up right now, and I currently have it translating from English to Spanish. I can either enter into this text box right here, and as you can see, it will translate from English to Spanish. Now I can press this little speaker button right here.
Entrar en este cuadro de texto aquí.
It will take the translated text of English and turn it into Spanish. I can also do this. I can click on this little microphone here, and it'll pick up my voice and it'll process that I am saying something. Now when I'm ready to continue, I will click this arrow. As you can see, it picked up my voice fairly well.
Y va a recoger mi voz y que va a procesar que estoy diciendo algo ahora. Cuando estoy listo para continuar voy a poner esta flecha.
And as you can see, it'll translate it into the selected language. If you would like to change the language, you can go through the two sidebars. There's blue for the language that you will be using, and then the gray is for the side that it will be translating to. So if you would like to change it to Spanish, it's there, set automatically. You can also select German as your alternate language to translate to, and go right back to here, and enter.
Hallo, wie geht es allen heute Nachmittag?
And there you see it'll translate into another language. There are, I believe, 50 different languages that can be translated, and according to the research that I've done, it translates very well as opposed to Google Translate. A really cool feature about this is the conversation feature. If you start a conversation and enter your name, and then you go to your language, in this case English, and then enter, you will have this screen pop up. On the right side, there is the conversation code, which is DGLCT, and this QR code. The QR code is for taking a picture, and it will scan it, and the person scanning the QR code will automatically join the conversation. Or they can input this code here manually, and it will do it that way. The code will change every conversation you start, and that's about that. So, with the settings, for the person who is controlling the conversation as I am now, I can switch it to presenter mode, and my microphone will be turned on at all times. It will be picking up my voice and translating what I say to the person that has... My voice will be picked up and it will be translated in the language of the person that is also in the call. Anybody else in the conversation, their microphones will be muted, so they cannot speak, and their voices will not be picked up. You can just continue to talk, and the text will be translated into their conversation. And that should do it. Thank you for joining me today on this application review, and I hope that this was helpful.